The minivan is back, and Toyota is proving it can be cooler, smarter, and more versatile than ever. Meet the 2026 Toyota Sienna, a family vehicle that is anything but ordinary. This is not just a box on wheels built for errands and carpools. It is a rolling lounge, a tech-packed cabin, and a comfort-first travel machine designed to make every drive feel effortless. The minivan is not dead. It is better than ever. Let me show you why. Under the hood, Toyota kept things simple but smart. Every 2026 Sienna comes with the brand's proven hybrid powertrain, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. Together, they deliver a respectable 245 horsepower. It is not about raw performance here. It is about balance. You get smooth, quiet acceleration, seamless transitions between gas and electric power, and fuel economy that will make SUV owners jealous. With up to 36 miles per gallon combined, the Sienna gives you fewer gas stops, more money saved, and more time to actually enjoy the journey. Whether you stick with front-wheel drive or opt for all-wheel drive, the efficiency remains the same. And that is rare in this segment. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Sienna really separates itself. Toyota designed the cabin to feel more like a living room than a vehicle interior. The second-row captain's chairs slide a full 25 inches back, giving passengers business-class legroom. Everywhere you look, there is smart storage, overhead shelves, a massive bridge-style center console, and yes, 18 cup holders. Enough for every kid, every parent, and maybe even the family dog. Technology takes a big leap forward this year too. The 2026 Sienna offers a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with Toyota's latest software featuring snappy performance and easy access to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Wireless charging, a head-up display, and multiple USB ports make sure everyone is connected. And if you go for the JBL 12-speaker premium sound system, road trips turn into full-blown jam sessions. Rear passengers get an optional entertainment setup with screens and streaming capability. Lifesavers for keeping kids entertained on long drives. Performance-wise, the Sienna is not trying to be a sports car, but it still surprises. The hybrid system delivers instant torque off the line, and with a 0 to 60 time of around 7.5 seconds, it is quick enough to handle merging or passing with ease. The regenerative braking feels natural, not grabby, and the ride quality is just superb. The suspension tuning keeps things smooth and composed even on rough roads. It is quiet, comfortable, and built to make every trip, no matter how long, stress-free. Of course, versatility is the Sienna's secret weapon. Fold down the third row, and you instantly open up tons of cargo space. The second row seats slide far forward to unlock up to 101 cubic feet of usable space. From sports gear to home projects to family luggage, it swallows just about anything you throw at it. The 2026 Toyota Sienna proves that the minivan is not dead. It is evolving. Toyota did not just make a family hauler. They built a family sanctuary. It is fuel efficient, loaded with tech, and stylish enough that you will actually want to be seen in it. Whether you are shuttling kids, hauling groceries, or hitting the highway for a weekend road trip, the new Sienna makes it all feel easy. The minivan is not dead. It is better than ever, and the Sienna proves it.